Hey everyone, we're going to quickly go over how to create a simple bar chart. All we got to do, have our information in our columns, in our cells. We just highlight over them. We go up to insert and we can go to the bar column. We can insert them in this way, or we can go to recommended charts. And here we can simply see different formats, and we just click OK. We can see go ahead and change it to different styles if we want, change it to different colors, lots of different options that we can do after that. But yeah, this is just a very simple way to get your bar chart started. So yeah, if you guys like the video, go ahead and like it and subscribe if you want to continue to see more videos similar to this.